Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations, continuing on with our new plugin. So sometimes, when you're playing, it's a bit hard to read this right here because, white against white, white against the green. It can be frustrating. So we're going to make it to where you can instead push a button and it'll bring up a widget. Now, I know I need to clean this up because now it needs to be able to scroll down so that we can see more than just what's right here. But all in all, it still works as it needs to because we know that constitution is a primary attribute. So if I just search for primary, yeah, as you can see, we only have the primary ones. If I search for vital, now I only have the vital ones. If I go ahead and search for meta, I guess I didn't name it meta. Let's find out. I come in here, attributes, meta, incoming damage. Oh, down here. I did name it meta. I'm not sure why that one's not showing up. Probably because it's not. That's right. I have ones that are marked meta not showing up. That would be why. If we search for leveling, we get leveling. If we search for secondary, I don't think we have any that are secondary anymore. Nope. I moved them to offensive. There's offensive. So, and then we come here to defensive. So you're able to separate them all. And if I select this, it'll tell me what it is, what it's doing. Come here to vital again. Look at that. We get all the information that we need. And of course, when I hit close, we're back in our game. So let's go ahead, and it's very simple because I've already made the widget for you. I will clean it up in the future so that it has more benefits, i.e. you can push it and it'll heal or damage, push a button and it'll heal or damage, or any number of things, leveling up, all that stuff, so that you can make sure everything's working. So it's definitely something I need to make sure I get done. So I went ahead and found, search for debug key number minus sign, because that's what I chose to use. You use whatever you want for your debug key. I then searched for create widget, and I searched for attribute debugger, and I promoted it to a variable, add to viewport, and then used it as an is valid. If it's valid, that means that we have it right now, so let's remove it and delete it. Clear the set. Pure and simple. That's all you need. And you now have access to all of that information on the attribute that you can see on the fly.